Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic adóig, Laethanta Sira. Level A1, topic 12, holidays. Rannóg an raibh tú Laethanta Sira, ag díriú isteach bheith Labhairt. Section 1, were you on vacation focusing on speaking? Agus lemúna, ceiste chur dhuine an rá sé Laethanta Sira agus an cheist sin raibhairt. Asking somebody if they were on vacation or holidays and answering that question. Laethanta Sira. Sheledde. There's a clue for you. Laethanta Sira, holidays or vacation. So Laethanta Sira. Repeat after me. Laethanta Sira. Laethanta Sira. Laethanta Sira. So ceist, an rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. The. Were you on vacation this year? Yes, the. Míle this year. An rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. The. An rá Sean Laethanta Sira Míle. Was Sean on vacation or holidays this year? Ní rá. No. An rá Sean Laethanta Sira Míle? Ní rá. An aithníonn tú an bríthir bhí. Do you recognize the verb bhí? Tháinig an bhríthir chun chin I dtopig gide tinnis agus gortatha. Bhí me ag an dochtúr. Ach an uair seo tá an éireann ceisteach leis. So the verb came up in topic 10, illness and injury. We use the phrase bhí me ag an dochtúr. I was at the doctor. But this time we're using the question form. An rá tú. An rá Sean. And again, the answer, as we know, we use the verb to answer yes or no, bhí or ní rá, and you do not need to use the noun or pronoun with it. Just answer with bhí for positive, ní rá for negative. I dtopig gide, tinnis agus gortatha, Louis gur bríthire neamh-rialta an bríthir bí. In topic 10, in illness and injury, we mentioned that the verb to be, was irregular. Sin an cúis go bhfuil difríocht idir an cheist agus an freagra. And that's the reason there's a difference between the question form and the answer. So we have an rá tú, and then the answer is either bhí or ní rá. Le bríthire rialta, ní bhíonn mór an difríochta, mar shampla, bhris tú the lámh. Bhris, níor bhris. With regular verbs, there isn't much difference. For example, the verb brish, to break, the question form is bhris tú the lámh, did you break your hand? And the answer would be yes, bhris, or níor bhris, no. I'll just have you repeat after me. An rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. An rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. Bhí, ní rá. Bhí, ní rá. An rá tú, positive, bhí, negative, ní rá. Seans dit iad a léamh anois, a chance for you to read them now. Agus anois deanamid chorá beag, and now we'll do a small conversation. Fáil your learner, fáil your haim, an rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. I'll have you read it after me. An rá tú Laethanta Sira Míle. Fáil your adó, ní rá. An rá tosa Laethanta Sira Míle. Ní rá. An rá tú féin Laethanta Sira Míle. And here you'll notice we use the emphatic form when you repeat the question back to the person after you've answered it. So you can choose either one, an rá tosa, no an rá tú féin. Agus an cead the first learner then can respond, né rá. So I'll be learner number 1 and you can be learner number 2. An rá tú Laethanta Eorpach Míle. Ní rá. Chance ditse the Iverhain for chance for you to be number 1. Ní rá an raibh tosa Laethanta Eorpach Míle. Anish, an rá tú Laethanta Eorpach tíortha. Where are you on holidays? Countries. Bag tú ag dul siar na tíortha a dálam tú níba lua sa chóirsa. You will be going over the countries that you learned earlier on in the Bag an bhuíoch an rá tú Laethanta Eorpach tíortha uait den gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need a handout where you're on holidays, countries for this activity. The link to the handouts is in the description box below. Tá seacht symbol ann agus buineann gach symbol le tír. There are 7 symbols and each symbol represents a country. Féach na symbolaí éagsúla híos. Look at the different symbols below. Scríomh ainmneacha na díortha na spásna faoi gach ceann acu. Write the names of the countries in the spaces below each one. Tíortha le the partner. Countries with your partner. So if you have a learning partner or a study buddy, you can do this activity with them. Otherwise, you can just create clues for the different countries and you can do the activity totally by yourself. So this is for the second part of the activity, the empty box below. Tuair ledanna do the partner faoi gach tír ach ná habair ainm na tíre. Give your partner a clue for each country, but don't name the country. Mar hampla, tá baile ó clia sa tír seo. So Dublin is in this country. Olandini fian sa tír seo. People drink wine in this country. Ihandini pizza sa tír seo. People eat pizza in this country. Tá Hong Kong sa tír seo. Hong Kong is in this country. Anish, scríomh ainmneacha tíortha de partnéire sa bhosca seo. Then write the names of your partner's countries in this box. So again, if you don't have a partner, you can just create the clues yourself and write down the clues. Tíortha freagraí A, answers for A, Éire, America, an rank, an Turk, an Astráil, an Fholin, Sasna. Agus na tíortha, lé amachos ordaí, read them out loud. Come on, very good. Agus anish na freagraí B, an Spáin, an Idáil, an Tín, an Fholin, Alban, Canada, an Bhreatain Bheag. Agus anish lé amachos ordaí, and now read them out loud. Mahu, good job. An rá tú Laethanta Eorpach, where are you on holidays? An rá tú Saoire I dtír bith eile I mbliana, no le cúpla bliain anuas. Were you on vacation or on holidays in any other country this year or for during the last couple of years? Ben muid ag dul siar ar conas an tír a rá tú Saoire an a rá. We'll be going over how to say you were on vacation in a certain country. An chuimhin leat conas é sin a rá. Do you remember how to say that? I was in. Chuir Gaeilge ar an Labhairt, I was in blank. Translate the sentence into Irish. I was in, mar hampla, for example, bhí mé I Sasna. I was in England. Bhí mé in Alban. I was in Scotland. Bhí mé sa Bhreatain. I was in Wales. Bhí mé sa Teastáil. I was in Italy. I'll have you read those one more time. Bhí mé I Sasna. Bhí mé in Alban. Bhí mé sa Bhreatain. Bhí mé sa Teastáil. Agus inis, chuir Gaeilge ar I was in the following countries. Bhí mé in Éireann. Bhí mé in America. Bhí mé sa Rank. Bhí mé sa Turk. Bhí mé san Astráil. Bhí mé sa Fholin. Bhí mé I Sasana. Bhí mé sa Spáin. Bhí mé sa Teastáil. Bhí mé sa Tín. Bhí mé san Africas. Bhí mé in Alban. Bhí mé I Canada. Bhí mé sa Bhreatain. By an bhilleog an ráiltú ar Laethanta Saoire, cá ráiltú uait don gníomhaíoch seo. You'll need the handout, holiday, were you on holidays, where were you for this activity? Gluish, glossary. So some phrases that will come up in the following sentences. So we have last year, anurri, anurri. Last year, anurri. Last week, an seachtain shakata, an seachtain shakata. And we can also say an bhliain shakata. An seachtain shakata, last week, last year, anurri, or an bhliain shakata. A few days ago, cúpla lá ó shin. Cúpla lá ó shin. Recently, le déanaí, le déanaí. At the weekend, an deire seachtaine, the weekend, an deire seachtaine. Ag an deire seachtaine, at the weekend. Cá ráiltú, where were you? Aistrig na habartí híos go Gaeilge, ó bhéal ar dús agus an sin scríomh amach iad. So translate the following sentence into Irish, orally first, and then write them out. So first we'll go through them. I'll put the English up on the slide and you can translate them in your head, and then we'll go through, then pause the video and write them out, and then come back and check your answers. Nuair a bhaid críochnatha cheartaigh iad. When you finish, cá ráiltú, where were you? I was in France last year. She was in America last week. He was in Italy a few days ago. I was in Canada recently. She was in Scotland at the weekend. And now pause the video and write them down. Cá ráiltú, I was in France last year. Bhí mé sa rank anuraí. Bhí mé sa rank anuraí. She was in America last week. Bhí si in America an seachtain sicáte. Bhí si in America an seachtain sicáte. He was in Italy a few days ago. Bhí sé san idáil cúpla lá ó shin. Bhí sé san idáil cúpla lá ó shin. Take a moment and read through them yourself and make any corrections you might need to. I was in Canada recently. Bhí mé I Canada le déanaí. Bhí mé I Canada le déanaí. She was in Scotland at the weekend. Bhí si in Albán ag an deireadh seachtaine. Bhí si in Albán ag an deireadh seachtaine. Again, read them out loud and make any corrections you might need. Cá raibh tú, anois féach na tíortha fad Theas, and now look at all the countries below. An féidir leat iad a churs na spás na cearta sa bhosca. Can you put them in the correct spaces in the box? Cadi an real ramadí. What is the grammar rule? Tá grúpa amháin déanta le cabhrú leat. There's one group done to help you. Agus shahid na tíortha, and here are the countries. Sasana, on rank, Canada, on Spain, America, on Idáil, on Fáil, on Africas, Albán, on Ghearmáin. Agus ceann amháin déanta, Canada, America, agus Sasna, on real chromadí, I plus orú. So, cada dhéanann tú le na ceann eile. What do you do with the other ones? Agus níos na freagraí. So, na tíortha will on rompo. So the countries that have on in front of them or the article in their name, they take sac plus sévu, nuair is féidir, when it's possible. So on rank, on Spain, on Fáil, on Ghearmáin. Agus na tíortha atógan on a will gota on cead litter, and the countries that take the article that have a vowel for the first letter, san. San Idáil, san Africas. Na tíortha atógan I plus orú, the countries that take I and an orú, Canada, America, Sasna. And the countries that use in are those that do not use the article that start with a vowel. Mar shampla Albán, in Albán. Clock to kainta. Chat practice, talking practice. Anya. An raltuair siúra in Míle. Sean. Bhí mé sa Spáin. Anya. An raltusa siúra in Míle. Sean. Ní rá ach bhí mé san Idáil an bhliain sicáte. No, but I was in Italy last year. So we'll go through this again. The first time I will be Anya and you can be Sean. And the second time you can be Anya and I'll be Sean. Clach de chainte, mis Anya tosa Sean. An ralta sira in Míle. An raltosa sira in Míle. Tosa Anya, mis Sean. Bhí mé sa Spáin. Ní rá, ach bhí mé san idáil an bhliain seo caite. Cén bhliain, which year? An bhliain seo caite, the year just gone past, 2023, in mbliana, this year, 2024. An bhliain seo caite, an bhliain seo caite, in mbliana, in mbliana. Agus in is ceistena, which year, questions. An rá Seán Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. Was Seán on vacation or on holidays last year? Agus na freagaí and the answers we know, bhí or ní rá. An rá Síle Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. Was Síle on vacation this year? Bhí or ní rá. So, an bhliain seo caite, the year past. If you think of I'm sure caite, the past tense, in mbliana, present, this year. Bag an bhiliog an ráta Laethanta Saoire, caitheann uait an gníomhaíoch seo. So you'll need a handout where you're on holidays, when, for this activity. Caitheann, when. Tá cartaí éagsúla clúdaithe, so there are different cards hidden. Tuichí carta suas ar an sleamhnán. A card will come up on the screen. Tuichí ceist suas ar an sleamhnán, mar shampla, an ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana air. So a question will come up on the screen with, for example, were you on vacation this year on it? Freagar an cheist bunaithe ar an eolas atá ar an chorta, mar shampla, ní rá, bhí mé sa Spáin an bhliain seo caite. Answer the question with the information based on the card that originally came up. For example, no, ní rá, bhí mé sa Spáin an bhliain seo caite. I was in Spain last year. An sin tuichí carta eile agus ceist eile suas ar an sleamhnán. Then another card and another question will come up on the screen. Mar shampla, an ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana air. Freagar an cheist bunaithe ar an eolas atá ar an chorta. So answer the question with the based on the information on the card. Mar shampla bhí mé sa rank in mbliana. Bí cuaireamach faoi sa, san, I agus in. Mar shampla, an Turk. 2023, an Turk. Bhí tú sa Turk I 2023. An rank, bhí tú sa rank I mbliana 2024. So you were in Turkey in 2023, you were in France in 2024. An ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. An ráta Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. An ráta Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. An ráta Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. An ráta Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An ráta Laethanta Saoire in mbliana. An ráta Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire i Míle. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire i Míle. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire i Míle. An rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. Go agus go dtí. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an rank. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an Spáin. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an Idáil. Tá mé ag dul go Merica. Tá mé ag dul go Canada. Tá mé ag dul go Sasanna. Tá mé ag dul go Halban. Cad a thugann tú faoi deara faoi úsáid go agus go dtí sna samplaí? What did you notice about the use of go and go dtí in the examples? Tá mé ag dul go dtí an rank. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an Spáin. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an Idáil. Tá mé ag dul go Halban. Tá mé ag dul go Merica. Tá mé ag dul go Canada. Tá mé ag dul go Sasanna. Úsáidtear go ribh ainmneacha tíortha nach bhfuil an talt leo mar hampla Merica, Canada. So go is used before names of countries that do not use the article. For example, Merica agus Canada. Agus úsáidtear go dtí nuair a bhíonn an talt in úsáid in ainm na tíre, mar hampla an rank, an Spáin. And go dtí is used when the article is used in the name of the country. For example, an rank agus an Spáin. Cuirtear H libh ainm tíre nach mbíonn an talt leis ach a chosíonn le gota, mar hampla Alban. H is put before the name of a country that does not use the article but starts with a vowel. For example, Scotland, Alban. Like an bhiliog go nó go dtí uait an gníomhaíoch seo. So you'll need a handout go nó go dtí for this activity. Go agus go dtí. Lé amach an lista de hiortha agus d'áiteanna. Read out the list of countries and places. Beagart iad a scríobh san áit chuí ar an bhiliog. You'll need to write them in the correct place on the handout. Pause the video while you complete it and then come back and check your answers. And the column for go dtí, we have an rank, go dtí an Argentine, go dtí an Gaeilge, go dtí an Rúis, go dtí an Bhreatain, go dtí an Astráil, go dtí an Ionlan, go dtí an Dhearmáin. Go Merica, go Port Láirge, go Baile Clia, go Canada, go Kirkig, go Dibredáin. Go Hardwacha, go Hinis, go Hádara, go Háluan. Beag an bhiliog táim ag dul go dtí uait don gníomhaíocht seo. Táim ag dul go dtí, I am going to. Tiocfaidh ceist agus cárta suas ar an sleamhnán, mar hampla. So a question and a card will come up on the screen. For example, an rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite. Were you on vacation or holidays last year? Bhfuilm go ndeartha nach rá tú ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain seo caite ach go bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an tír atá léirthe ar an gcárta an bhí se chuin, mar shampla, anráiltear ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain se caite, ní rá tá ag dul go America imlíana. So I'd like you to say you were not on vacation last year, but that you are going to go to the country this coming month or this year. For example, on Ráiltear Laethanta Saoire an bhliain se caite, were you on holidays last year? Ní rá, no, tá ag dul go America imlíana. I'm going to America this year. So on this slide, I will ask you the question and then I'll pop up the symbol for the country and give you an opportunity to say the answer, and then I'll give you the answer. An Ráiltear Laethanta Saoire an bhliain se caite. Ní rá, tá ag dul go hÉireann imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go America imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Ranc imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Tín imlíana. An Ráiltear ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain se caite. Ní rá, tá ag dul go Ceanada imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Spáin imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Afraic Theas imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Iodál imlíana. An Ráiltear ar Laethanta Saoire an bhliain se caite. Ní rá, tá ag dul go Sasna imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Pholainn imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go Halban imlíana. Ní rá, tá ag dul go dtí an Astráil imlíana. Cén áit a raibh tú ar Saoire? Where were you on vacation, or where were you on holiday? Cha mé, I spent. Caicís a dhá cheachtain sa Spáin. Caicís a fortnight or 2 weeks. Cha mé caicís sa Spáin. Cha mé, I spent. Seachtain America, a week in America. Seachtain, a week. Deire seachtain a fada in London, a long weekend. Deire seachtain a fada in London. Mí san Iodál, a month in Italy. Mí san Iodál. Tréimh se ama, periods of time. So we have Ceithre lá, 4 days. Deire seachtain a fada. Deire seachtain a fada, a long weekend. Seacht lá, 7 days. Seachtain, seachtain, seachtain. Caicís, caicís, a fortnight or 2 weeks. Caicís. Mí, a month. Mí, a month. Mí. So tuigh an tréimh se ama suas agus caithfidh tú ar rá. So the period of time will come up and you need to say what it is. Deire seachtain a fada. Seachtain. Mí. Deire seachtain a fada. Caicís. Caicís. Mí. seachtain. Cé náid ar áit Sira, where were you on vacation? Inistam an tréimhse ama a chatas san áit. Tell me how long you spent or the amount of time you spent in the place. Cha me, I spent. Cha me, past tense. Cha me, I spent. Cé náid ar áit Sira. Inistam an tréimhse ama a chatas san áit. Cha me, deire seachtain na fada in éireann. Cha me deire seachtain na fada in éireann. Cha me seachtain i America. Cha me seachtain i America. Cé náid ar áit Sira, inistam an tréimhse ama a chatas san áit. Where were you on holidays? Tell me how much time you spent in the place. So the place and the amount of time will come up. I'll give you the opportunity to give the answer and then I will say it for you. Cha me chaicis sa rank. Cha me chaicis sa rank. Cha me mi sa tín. Cha me mi sa tín. Cé náid ar áit Sira, inistam an tréimhse ama a chatas san áit. Cha me chaicis i Canada. Cha me mi san Afric Has. Cha me deire seachtain na fada sa Spáin. Cha me seachtain san Idáil. Cha me chaicis i Sasana. Cha me mi sa Follin. Cha me deire seachtain na fada in Alban. Cha me seachtain san Astráil. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a héan an ráit ar Laethanta Sira. And that's the end of section 1. Were you on holidays? Lamuna ceist de chur chuine an rá sé ar Laethanta Sira agus an cheist sin a raigart, asking somebody if they were on holidays and answering that question. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.